Hey, in this short video, what we're going to talk about is some basic foot rehab. So many people deal with foot pain, and one of the basic things you need to do is you need to actually start getting the muscles in the feet active again. So in this video, we're going to dive into some very simple, very low load foot exercises that you can utilize to strengthen the arch, but also learning how to properly move and position the feet and rebuild the muscles correctly. So we're going to dig into alignment. We're going to dig into specific exercises. So dive in, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments beneath. This exercise is called active foot modeling. So what you do is you dig the toes into the ground, pulling the arch upwards. Now this exercise can help to go and rebuild and strengthen the arch. Let's take a look at this from another view. So when it's performed, you spread the toes wide and you dig the toes down into the ground, not curling the toes, but pressing them down so the toes go flat, pulling them back towards you. And what this will do is will strengthen the muscles in the arch, helping to rebuild the arch over time. This first level exercise is just something as simple as going on one foot, going back and forth and side to side. It gets the muscles in the foot reactivated, getting used to balance and stabilization, and the toes getting used to gripping. This can be a great way to go and prime the feet. The next level advancement would be these clock face exercises where you go out to each of the clock points and try to touch, maintaining grip in the toes. This is a great tool to go and rebuild the strength in the arch, the stability in the knee, helping to go and get the body used to going through these types of motions again. Another great exercise to rebuild the strength in the arch is this modified single leg deadlift, where you simply go on one foot and sweep the leg back and forth, just working on trying to grip the ground. This can be a great rehab tool. One thing not to overlook is the value of doing things like Warrior 1 and Warrior 2 movements seen here. These static hold postures are great because, especially if the body is not used to a lot of activity, stabilizing the entire lower body is important. So getting used to gripping the feet, but at the same time, using the calf muscles and the leg muscles and the glutes and the hamstrings becomes important as you rehabilitate. When you're doing any type of corrective exercises for the feet, one of the things you have to keep in mind is go slow. So do them in short bursts, do them, especially when they're repetition based, just do 5 to 10 repetitions at a time, multiple times per day, because it's more about frequency, not necessarily intensity. If you're doing the static hold movements, try to go through and do 3 to 5 breaths. As you go through and you perform each one of those exercises, the focus first and foremost becomes on alignment, trying to make sure that your feet are in the proper alignment, you're able to go and hold up your arch by using the active foot modeling techniques that we discussed earlier in the video, as well as maintaining proper knee, hip, and spine alignment, and actively using your muscles so that you are pulling your feet towards one another, squeezing the muscles in the thighs, and making sure that your spine is straight above you. As you go through this process, it's going to take time to go and rebuild, but just be patient with yourself. So as you rehabilitate the feet, depending upon the length of the time that you've had this injury, it can take several weeks to maybe even a couple of months to get to a point where you feel like your old self again. But be patient and be consistent. These exercises, if done correctly in short bursts, can be done literally every day. One last thought is just to make sure that you listen to your body. You know, it's not a bad thing if you start to feel sore to go and discontinue a set, right? You want to work the muscles and you want to challenge them, but you also don't want to create pain or injury. So we want to make sure that we're just listening to what our body says. If it says that we've pushed too far, stop. If you start to feel like you're becoming sore, it's okay to take a break. Allow yourself enough time to recuperate before you come back and do more. And you know, if you're working with a healthcare practitioner, whether it's a physical therapist, a chiropractor, an orthopedist, don't hesitate to talk to them about these exercises, because these are things they're probably well aware of. And it's always a good thing to make sure that your team is in the loop on any new corrective exercises that you're doing. Hey, if you find this video helpful, do me a favor, smash the like button and subscribe so you can get notifications about any future videos that we're putting out. God bless you guys. Have a great day.